You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. If you're here for NFL names pronunciation, make sure to stay tuned, because loads of names that too many people mispronounced. I've got more videos for you. Let's focus on this one. Shedeur. Yeah, that's how it's said. In French it would be said as Shedeur, okay, but in English the EUR, just like entrepreneur, is said as an OR. So she, a short E sound here, Shedeur, Shedeur. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.